If you're new to Bixby development, one confusion point may be the different elements that make up the Bixby UI. Here on the screen you can see a very simple example. This is the fact capsule that you can download from GitHub, but it has all the elements. So at the top here, the male ostrich can roar just like a lion. That is the dialogue, and that's a text header. And it's also by default what Bixby says with voice, although you can override it and have voice say something different. And then in the middle, this image here is what in Bixby we call the view. And then at the very bottom, this tell me a fact is what we call a conversation driver. It's actually optional. And really what a conversation driver is doing is telling the user that's the next step you can take, giving them a hint. So I can either say tell me a fact or click on it and get another fact. Let's go take a look at the code. So here we have the code for that fact capsule. Let's open it up. Let's take a look at this dialog file. It is a result type dialog. It's matching the content concept as this and using this.text. If we quickly looked at the content model, there's two things, the text, and that's what's showing in that dialog at the top of the screen, and in the image, we're actually going to use that to show that image. So that's the dialog. And then in the view, jumping over to the view, I have this result view, matching content once again, render, image list of this.image. Okay, that's just showing that single image. Little Bixby views tip there, if you just want to show a single image, really easy way to do it is the image list of. And then below here is this conversation drivers. This is actually code I added for this demo, and all it's saying is tell me a fact, and that renders at the bottom of the screen. And that is your Bixby tech tutorial of the week.